future scientists. Hope you're doing great and having a wonderful day so far. So, are you ready to explore the world of science with me? So, I am Udaya, a biomedical scientist at Virginia Tech, and I study how the human body fights against the germs. First of all, how do these germs enter your body? So, when you're outside playing in the mud or you touch an unclean object and then you don't wash your hands properly with soap and water, you got all these germs on your hands, right? Now, when you put these hands in your mouth, all these germs enter into your body and that is what causes infection. Then, what happens during an infection? So all these germs that enter into your body start attacking your body and makes you feel sick. But your body needs to fight back with these germs to become strong and healthy again, right? So, to fight back with these germs, your body uses an army of soldiers called immune cells. That's correct. They're called immune cells. Now, how do these immune cells or soldiers fight with the germs? Well, they have different ways to do that. They either swallow and eat the germs, like shown here, or they throw nets, like fishing nets, to trap the germs, like shown here. And this is what I'm trying to understand as to how some of these soldiers or immune cells throw nets and trap the germs. These are exactly the type of questions that I am asking as a scientist here at Virginia Tech. And I really love what I do as a scientist because it helps me understand and study how to improve our health. Tired of knowing too much about infections, germs, and immune cells? Well, let's take a short break and then come back and I'm going to show you some really cool things in my lab. Welcome back once again. And now let's check out the cool lab where I do my science. So this is my lab in Life Sciences 1 building at Virginia Tech. And these are all the different instruments or tools that help me to study how our body soldiers or immune cells fight with the germs. And this is my bench where I do all my experiments. Remember, an experiment is a well-planned test that is carried out to find out answers to a question. And then, next to my bench is my desk, where you'll find me either working on my laptop or reading a book or even taking a nap when I want to relax. Hey, look! That's the beautiful view outside the window near my desk. And there is a garden there called the Han Garden. And when it is spring, it is so colorful with all the beautiful flowers. And here are some of the pictures of the garden that I captured on my camera. Hi there again. I hope you enjoyed the short tour of the lab. Next, I'm going to show you what I do in the lab. So, to study how our body soldiers or immune cells fight with the germs, I use a special tool or a device that looks like that. I make this device in a special clean room wearing a full covering gown as shown in the picture, so that way I can keep my device clean and free from dust. Now once the device is ready, next I take the soldiers or the immune cells from our body and put them in the device along with the germs. This is how I put the soldiers or the immune cells inside the device along with the germs. Now that the soldiers and the germs are inside the device, I want to see how they're fighting with each other. But they're so tiny that I cannot see them with my eyes. So, to help me see how they're fighting, I use a special machine called the microscope. Ta-da! So this is the microscope. And this microscope can make tiny objects look bigger. So, when I put my device under the microscope, I should be able to see how the immune cells or the soldiers are fighting with the germs inside the device. Wow! Now let me show you what I see under the microscope. So this is a part of the device as seen under the microscope with germs inside the device. You will now see the soldiers or the immune cells running into the device to fight and kill the germs. So did you see how fierce the battle was? Remember that your body soldiers or immune cells can do a good job in fighting with the germs only when you keep them strong by eating healthy and by sleeping well. Also, it is important that you stay away from the germs by staying clean and by washing your hands regularly with soap and water. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this journey of science with me. And I know you're excited to be a scientist too. So come join me and we will save the world together.